Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if iOS 16.1.1 update is not showing. As you know that guys, iOS 16.1.1 official is out now. So if you're trying to go to software update and there's you are getting the unable to check for update error, or even you are not getting the update, or you have downloaded any beta profile, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem, how you can get the new update iOS 16.1.1. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. To fix this problem guys, first of all what you need to do is go to your iPhone settings, then click on general, then click on transfer and reset, click on reset network setting. So make sure that you reset the network setting once. It can help you fix your problem. So once you have done this, after this, make sure that you shut down your iPhone once for 5 seconds, then turn it on back again. Then go to date and time and make sure that you turn it to set automatically on. So once you have done all these steps, the last step is make sure that you don't have any beta profile downloaded, OTA profile that can block software update. So go to the VPN and device management. So if you have any profile, simply click on remove, then enter your iPhone passcode, click on remove again, simply select not now. So once you have done all these steps, now you can go to software update section to see if there is any update available. So as you can see now, here is the iOS 16.1.1 update. Now you can simply click on download and install the official update. So hope you guys like this video. If you do, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.